Hi, 69 viewers! Hi guys! Don't forget to like and
Maganahan ako
subscribe!
anak ko. Maninda-ninda tayo man ko. Magpa. Hello, kaya kurente. Pero full support. Ito support.
LOL! Yeah!
Guys, you can subscribe to my channel so I can hit no. How much does it cost to live in the Philippines?
If you gonna live here 1 month,
I have to go now. It was nice to meet you, Gigi. Oh, thank you, Brand Solutions. Thank you again. And have a good day to you, Brand Solution. Hopefully you can watch my
I don't know
live stream.
Darius, they are living
Thank you, Brand. Have a good day and take care of your doing. Yeah.
Yes.
See you next time, Brand Solution. Thank you again.
Hi, Skeleton.
Take care of your time there. Sub and like that. Thank you, Paul Potimor. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for support. Yeah. Take care though.
30,000 in Philippine peso or American.
Frankfurt, you're welcome from Brand Solutions. Bye, Court.
Just like what?
Hi guys.
Just like $500?
6 viewers right now.
$500 or what? Around $500.
You can
And convert into
Oh, thank you, new subscriber today. Thank you, Paul.
pesos. Your actual baby share ka na, char. Okay, do you make money live streaming? Sometimes zero.
No problem,
And I didn't
sport.
like the tattoo that was fake. Oh, henna.
Thank you, Paul, for
Yeah.
subscribing to my channel. I'm new here doing live stream.
Okay, dito itagaw na itong first time ni mo.
Ha?
Itagaw na itong first
Ano
time.
di ay? Ano di ay?
51 ka po. Ibayran na 51 ka po.
Ano di ay? Adi mo sa kumukha ang cake. Sakit-sakit mo nito.
Okay, sige lang na.
Nawa na pag cake.
Scary.
6 viewers right now, guys. Guys. Please comment down below so I can read your comments and answer. Yeah. Guys, tomorrow I'm going to buy a pot, a big pot, and then
so that's pretty cheap, lol.
And then a whiteboard, pencil, pen, and the eraser, so I can make a short content. Yeah. Abangan nyo na! Hi Gigi, what's for dinner? We have not dinner today.
You're done, guys. Our dinner.
Oy, wala ko gani.
Our dinner and lunch is same. Asking how much it would cost you to live.
We
in
haven't
Paris is not a
yet
question. One can
dinner,
answer as it depends on your
Benson.
lifestyle. Yes,
We haven't
Ishom.
yet for dinner.
I can. Yeah. It's just like something, kuan ba? If you are comfortable with
82
just a simple
subscribers.
dinner,
Oh, go
Hana can live on that
guys.
amount, mostly
YouTube
like you
teacher.
cannot,
Yes. Yes, Steve.
Yes, Isham. Okay.
I make
then it's 47.
I make a
47
short content.
pesos a month for my place. of
Ano,
living.
English
Patay.
translate into Tagalog.
Then you can live here 50.
Yes.
50 kwan, 50.
How to speak
50,000,
Tagalog.
50,000
Oh.
It depends to you if you
Magsalita ka ng Tagalog araw-araw, Steve, para marunong ka na. Char.
Fancy food. Na 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 na.
Great minds think about.
Most American chefs have
Overthink.
a simple lifestyle.
Overthink,
Yeah.
Steve.
Mostly. Okay. Okay, if someone gonna ask me, then I will gonna put 100,000
Alive. Oh.
Philippine pesos living here.
Hi
a
for
month.
viewers right
per
now, guys.
Okay.
Please subscribe to my
So
channel.
it should be 100,000 Philippine pesos living here a month. If you wanted to a fancy